Hello, welcome here in the Niels van Roij Design car design studio. I'm looking at a nice project we did in the recent past. This is Henry II or Corniche-based shooting brake conversion. You've surely seen the video series on this bespoke coach-built shooting brake. And the reason I'm showing you this is because today we're going to take a quick walk in the showroom here. And we're going to see a car that is not similar, but a bit older actually. Henry is based on the donor car from the 80s, and we're going to look at a car from 1963 now, so even 20 years more senior. But there's a certain theme here I'd like to discuss. And this car here, or Norsken Autoforma, or Aston-Martin Niels van Roij Design label car, tells you a little bit about what I want to discuss today. This, of course, is our 1800 ES Volvo that we are going to convert to a bold, outspoken resto mod shooting brake. That is the Daytona shooting brake homage. We recently posted a video on that as well. Shooting brake as well. You see where I'm going to. This car here, an Aston-Martin DBS, we did a video on. That car we did a video on, the Dawn, Rolls-Royce Dawn. Both excellent base cars, donor cars for a nice shooting brake project, of course based on the coupe, the rate we designed Silver Spectre. Again, we have a beautiful video series diving into Silver Spectre and the whole idea and transformation of the donor car to the bespoke shooting brake. So the shooting brake theme is something that runs through our blood. Here on the right hand side we have a station car, a very fast station car, the RS6 from Audi, and it sort of is a marriage between everything that car lovers want when it comes to the recipe. A shooting brake is a car that you can take your family, your friends, your luggage, your dogs perhaps, shooting gear to a certain destination, a proper GT. Talking about GTs, in another video we discussed this, the Bentley Continental GT, also a fantastic donor car for coach built work. Have a look at the video we produced on this motor car. However, past this Mitsubishi is the car we're going to discuss with you today. And that is this beautiful 1963 Maserati, a Sebring, a coupe. Beautiful coach work, coach built, hand built car by Vignale, a coach builder from Italy. And today, of course, I'd like to discuss with you the possibilities of perhaps converting this beautiful donor car, a matching numbers car, to a shooting brake conversion. How amazing would this look with that nice rear seat, with that amazing dashboard? You really should come and have a look. I'll open the door for you if you come and have a look at that side. I mean, look at that gorgeous interior with just the right bit of patina on it. It's a restored donor car, but not over restored, so you can see some of the patina on the doors, on the leather, on the seats. But again, you can imagine if we are looking at this nice cam-tail rear end with these beautiful tail lights, how if we would taper the car slightly towards the rear and take that roof towards the back, how this could be a very, very interesting and beautiful shooting brake conversion. Let me invite you to walk in front of me towards the front end of the car. We first, of course, have this beautiful side where with body openings like this, there is a nice opportunity to create something bespoke, something that would work for this car, but would be slightly different from all the other Sebrings out there. And the same goes for instance, the bright work, the graphics of the car, so headlights, grille, and other intakes with, of course, in this case, the chrome surroundings. This car, of course, also came with other headlights, a more sort of square setup, as was the case back in the days. These things were changed quite often. And it will really change the character of the car to not have these four rounded headlights, but sort of the more squarish setup of this Sebring front end. Beautiful shark nose. You can see the graphic of the grille is really slanted forwards, very dynamic, but still a very beautiful agile body. This specific car doesn't have the wire wheels. I'm a big fan of these steelies. And of course, again, you can imagine looking at the graphics of the steelies. So of course the chrome metal hubcap and then the steelies, you can imagine if you have this beautiful flat gray paint on the inner or the outer rim, that would really again change this car without too much away from the OEM character of this beautiful Vignale Coupe. So a very quick walk around in this showroom, and of course of this beautiful Sebring Series 1 available here. So if you're interested in this car, please do let us know. We're happy to connect you and make sure this exciting possibility could come to fruition. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the bell, subscribe, let us know in the comments what you think of this car converted to a shooting brake, and we'll catch you for the next Coach Built Chronicles.